Sometimes what looks like a challenge is actually the spark of a new opportunity. Today, we want to say something unexpected. Thank you, President Trump. With the recent changes in H-1B visa costs, many believe doors were closing. But in reality, a new window has opened wide. By making it harder for Indian professionals to move away, this decision is set to create something powerful right here at home, a wave of reverse brain drain. Think about it. For decades, some of India's brightest minds built their futures abroad. Now, with this shift, more talent will stay, create, and innovate within India. Startups will thrive with a deeper pool of skilled engineers and entrepreneurs. Enterprises will benefit from cutting-edge knowledge staying onshore. Research and development will see a boom as innovation happens locally, not just overseas. And India's domestic market will expand as professionals invest, spend, and build here at home. This is not about losing opportunities abroad. It's about gaining strength at home. Imagine a stronger Bengaluru, a smarter Hyderabad, a more connected Pune. Imagine startups that don't just dream of Silicon Valley, but create the next Silicon Valley, right here in India. The world's digital future will not be built in one country alone. It will be co-created, and India now has the chance to lead. So once again, thank you, President Trump, not for taking opportunities away, but for reminding us that the biggest opportunities are waiting right here in India. Let's innovate, let's build, let's rise together.